This is a speed test between the Google Pixel 7 Pro versus the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now the Google Pixel 7 Pro has the Google Tensor G2 chip with 12 gigs of RAM on UFS 3.1, and of course, being the Pixel, it's always on the latest version of Android 13. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has the A16 Bionic chip with 6 gigs of RAM on its latest version of iOS 16.0. Let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Google Pixel 7 Pro versus iPhone 14 Pro Max speed test. I think the boot up is going to be close. What will happen? Oh, wow. Now, up to this point, on boot up, the iPhone 14 Pro Max has beaten every phone on the boot up, but I think on this particular test, I think the Pixel 7 Pro was faster on the boot up, but let me know in the comments. And we are in. Gonna swipe over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna do this on the Pixel, and as you can see, no recent items. I'm gonna do this on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and as you can see, there's nothing in the background. All apps, caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Ooh, very close. Now the Pixel 7 Pro does have this animation going on. So again, let me know in the comments. Go ahead and do that, and we'll leave it right there. Messages. Very close again. Let me know down below. The camera. And let's go. Ooh, I don't know. I think initially the iPhone 14 Pro Max was faster, but then I think the Pixel caught up at the very end. Let me know down below. Clock on both phones. Very close again. We'll go ahead and start this up. Let that run in the background. Calculator. Ooh, let me know down below. Play Store and App Store. Ooh, man, I don't know. I don't know. We'll go ahead and just click on this one. What is that? Wow. We'll go ahead and click on that instead. That was super loud on the Pixel. Amazon. Oh, now this animation here happening almost at the same time. I think the, let's see. I think the Pixel's ahead. Yup, Pixel's ahead. Very close. Let me know down below. We'll go ahead and click on this one. Ooh, very close again. eBay. And I'm gonna give that to the Pixel 7 Pro. We'll go ahead and click on, let's see, let's click on this one. We'll leave it right there. Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Faster on the 14 Pro Max. Subway Surf. Ooh, super fast on the iPhone. Wow, that was really quick. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in now on both phones. Let's see what happens here. 14 Pro Max out in front. Will the Pixel 7 Pro catch it? It does not, and will give the win to the iPhone 14 Pro Max on this. MC5. I'm gonna try to do this correctly.
3 weeks ago, the World Liberation Army launched a cyber.
Let's see. Extracting files. Oh, super fast on the iPhone. Let the Pixel do its thing. We'll tap to continue. Of course, we do have the PUBG. Looks like the iPhone is out in front. Hearing noise from the iPhone first, loading on the iPhone. And the iPhone is super quick on this. And the Pixel, go ahead, now it's loading. The Pixel 7 Pro. Yeah, iPhone's way faster on this. Yeah. Get rid of that. IG. Give that to the Pixel. Snapchat. Pixel again. We do have Chrome and Safari on both phones. We'll do a quick browsing test. Go ahead and click on the Google here on the iPhone. No thanks to that. Let's do a quick Google search. Let's do a search on GSF soap. If you don't know what that is, it's a car wash soap. We'll go ahead and just do a search on that. Okay, we'll do an image search. We'll go ahead and click on this. We'll click on this. Nice and fast. We'll click on this. We'll scroll. We'll click on the see more. Go. And we'll scroll. We're gonna scroll. And I have to say, the scrolling is way faster on the Pixel 7 Pro on this. With the 120Hz display. Now the iPhone, I'm not sure if this is a true 120 because in person right now, I mean the Pixel 7 Pro visually in real life is just a lot faster, a lot smoother on the scrolling, whereas the iPhone, say it's not quite there. I am nitpicking a little bit here. It's not a huge difference. Okay, let's go ahead and click on that. Whoops. We're gonna go ahead and what's going on with the iPhone? This doesn't want to scroll. My goodness. Okay, we'll do that one more time. We'll scroll. Let's see. I'm gonna click on this one. We're gonna pinch to zoom. Now the Pixel, sometimes it gets a little wonky on the pinch to zoom here. All right, enough of all that. Let's go ahead and test out the RAM management on both phones. Everything in the background, so you can see. We'll run through these apps again. And we'll have a look to see if there's gonna be any lags or any stutters. I don't anticipate any, but we'll run through these apps and we'll document what we see. Reconnecting, we'll resume. No issue on either phone. Angry Birds 2, same place, Subway Surf. We can resume on both phones with no issue. Super Mario Run, Mario Time on both, very nice. eBay, same place. Let me straighten the phones up. There we go. Amazon, same place. Play Store, App Store, same place. No lags. Calculator, no lags. Clock on both. Still running the stopwatch. I've never seen this reload ever. The camera. And let's go. Ooh, I think that was the Pixel 7 Pro faster on the focusing there. But let me know down below. Messages. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you on hashtag Team Pixel, rocking your brand spanking new Google Pixel 7 Pro? Do you have the regular Google Pixel 7? Do you have the Pixel 6 or the 6 Pro? Are you on a budget and have the A series like the 6A or the 5A? Let me know your favorite feature on a Pixel phone. Is it the camera? The fact that it's always going to be on the latest version of Android? Let me know. Or are you an Apple iSheet, rocking your iPhone 14 Pro Max? Are you rocking the iPhone 14 Plus or the iPhone 14? Do you have the 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, or just the regular iPhone 13? Let me know in the comments below what your favorite iPhone feature is. Is it the fact that it's highly optimized? The build quality of the phones are pretty good, excellent camera, super powerful A16 Bionic chip? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.